Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial. In this week, I would like to share with you what is the strategy tips that I personally use for my shop flash deal. My shop's flash deal is a free function that can be utilized for all the merchants in Shopee Seller Centre. My tips for you is please use these functions during the 5th of May, 6th of June, 7th of July, 9th September, 12th December, this kind of big Shopee events when the traffic are at the peak. During all these days, right, Shopee will drive tons of traffic to the marketplace and they will flow some to your shop. If you notice the traffic of your shop during these days are very high. So you must utilize this my shop fresh deal during these days so that you can attract free huge traffic to increase your conversions. All right, let's go. I will show you how to create the my shop fresh deal. So when you come to Shopee Seller Centre, under Marketing Center, you can see this My Shop Fresh Deal. You click on that, it will bring you to My Shop Fresh Deal setting. So you click on Create button and there are time slots you can select. So for example, you can select for tomorrow or the day after. You click on the date that you are select, then it will show you the time slot as well as the number of products that you can list on the deal. So for example, if I select from 8 to 12, 4 hours, all right, then I click confirm. And in order to enjoy this My Shop Fresh Deal, you have to obey on their product criteria. And here is the criteria. So here we can add the products. When you add the product, you are able to set the discount. And then here, campaign stock. What does this mean is how many stock quantity you wish to set aside for this 4 hours campaign. For example, I set aside 100. And what are the purchase limit per person? So I put 5. And then remember to enable the functions here. So if everything is in order, you click confirm. So you have successfully set up My Shop Fresh Deal on your selected time slot with products. I just run a 5th May My Shop Fresh Deal 1 hour Fresh Deal campaign and I would like to show you the result. So this is the result that I got. This is the additional sales that I got for the day because I set My Shop Fresh Deal during the 5th of May 1 hour time slot. This is the advantage of setting My Shop Fresh Deal and the tips is set during the 6th June, 7th July, 9th September kind of day whereby there is a huge traffic drive by Shopee to your store. Thank you.